I'm really interested in is 4202 for a short. We're getting close. Or if we get a pullback in 4188, it's worth taking, a close and then pull back into that. If I can get that in the first minute, it's worth taking a long there. Otherwise, I'm gonna let this thing come on up to 60-minute 9, see if it rejects or whatever. We're at the 15-minute 9 right now, and it's looking pretty bullish.
Order filled.
I just paid myself a little bit on there, or mostly out the long. Quick $3. Got some on still. Let's go. 4200 break. Let's go. Get your ass up to 4217. I can take some profits. Yeah. But that's what I just took profits for, basically, was because I didn't trust 4202, but we're going to go right through it. Let's do that.
Order filled.
Being very careful here. I'm paying myself. There we go. I'm up $10 on these contracts right now. Nice. I like it.
Order filled.
Yeah, baby. I'm taking some more profits there. I can't beat that. I just got a little bit left now. Nice big 5-minute candle. Top tick that shit right at the 60-minute 9. I mean, it's hard to beat. I haven't added anything else, but I just have a few contracts left, with profit stops in place. So it's got 1 minute to close over 23. Not looking good for the long. I like this. We test the 5-minute 9. If we can reject that and get back up here, I'm going to get shorter. We got a starter on. Let's see if we can get up here. I just don't even know if we can get up there. It's looking like it wants to, but then it doesn't, So like I said, I went ahead and got short, and I'm looking for this to add, but I don't think, if we can't get down to the bottom of that hour, 41.75. So I'm looking at 88. So anyway, I cut the trade right there. I've already captured a couple of bucks out of everything. I captured a few bucks here, a few bucks there. I got an okay day on. It's a tough market right here. I wanted to be short here and long here, right? I did really good on the long here. Screwed the short here, got short here, and got a couple of bucks out of it. I'm going to call that good. Give me a setup, man. I'll try it again. 41.88. We broke the 41.96. Come on now, bounce. Get up there. You're almost there. Almost there.
Order filled.
Little starter, man. That's all. I don't know if that's all the pop we're gonna get. That may be it. That's it. And we got $2 or $3 pop. I had to get something there. So we're on the 30-minute. We just broke a new low. Give it time to work. Right. We're 1 minute in. If you're in this with me, you're 1 minute in, and look, every little bounce, you get that itch to sell, oh, it's going to bounce now. But just sit back, let the chart tell you, let it work for you.
Order filled.
I'll go ahead and pay myself right there. See there now, I covered really well in the bottom of that.